In this video, we're looking at how you can easily sort a list of objects in C# by a specific property. Sorting lists is a common task you'll run into frequently when working with collections. Let's start by creating a simple employee class with two properties, name and salary. This will help us clearly demonstrate sorting by different properties. First, we initialize a list of employees without any specific order and print it out to show the original sequence. As you can see, right now our employee list appears in the order we added them. But what if we want to organize our employees based on how much they earn? Let's say we need this sorted from the lowest salary to the highest salary. To achieve this, we use the sort method on our list and provide a lambda expression comparing the salary properties. After sorting, when we print the employees again, notice they're now listed starting from the lowest paid employee to the highest. Alternatively, we can also use LINQ, a powerful querying library built into C# to achieve sorting. Let's quickly show this by sorting our employees alphabetically by their names. Using the OrderBy method, we can sort the employees by their names effortlessly. As you can see, now the list is sorted alphabetically. Sorting a list of objects in C# is straightforward, whether you're using the built-in sort method or LINQ. Both approaches are useful depending on your coding style and requirements. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick C# tips.